Hey, we're Sailing Sencia. I'm Tanner, and this is Emily. We quit our jobs, bought a boat, and headed for the Western Caribbean in search of freedom and simplicity. Hit subscribe to follow us as we head south.
We're going on an adventure.
Yeah. 1.5, 2-day trip to Tulum, and this is what it looks like. We got clothes, camera gear, drone, snorkeling gear, water, stay hydrated, people, and shoes, because we're gonna walk a lot. And that's it. That's all you can take. We can only take what we can carry, so that's all we get. But we're excited. We're gonna get a hotel. We haven't stayed somewhere with a shower or water for about 3 weeks now. So we've been taking cockpit showers, not that regularly, unfortunately. We've been conserving water. So we're excited to go to a hotel where we can take showers, have air conditioning, and sleep in a bed and get some food. It's gonna be great. No dishes, no cooking. It's not gonna be hot. It's gonna be great. We're excited. So let's go. Next stop, ferry terminal. Let's go.
Tulum time.
So this is where all the cruisers dock their dinghies. It's called Skulls Landing. And that's where we dock our boat every day, our dinghy.
It started pouring rain as we were walking to the ferry. This is boat life. From Isla Mujeres, you take the Ultramar ferry to Puerto Juarez. When you get off Puerto Juarez, we just got out and got a taxi for 200 pesos. Not bad at all. The ferry ticket, I think it was $40 for a round trip for both of us, so 10 bucks. And once you get off the ferry, get a taxi, ask them to go to the Adeo station, bus station. It's in Cancun Centro. And then once you get here to the bus station, we're taking the bus to Tulum. And the bus is beautiful, the ferry's beautiful, there's air conditioning everywhere. The bus ticket I think was 10 bucks too, pretty cheap. So it's been good so far.
We made it.
Burrito amor.
It's raining. Little yurts.
Yeah, it's glamping. We decided to stay in a room instead of a super cool tent because we wanted air conditioning. But it's pretty sweet. Harmony, glamping, and boutique hotel. the Tulum Ruins. It is raining very hard, but we're in Mexico, you know? So here we are, walking around. Temple of the Descending God. This is what happens when you leave your dinghy for 2 days and it pours rain the whole time. Worth it!